How's it going, everybody? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. In this video, I'm going to show you a software to get you to your first 1,000 YouTube subscribers. This is going to be an awesome software if you're looking to grow on YouTube, if you're looking to grow your channel fast. This is the video for you. So I grew my channel to 1,000 subscribers very quickly. I started in May 2019. Today is October 2019, and I grew mine basically to the first 1,000 within like 4 months, guys. So I want to show you this software. I want to show you how to use it, why you would want to use it, and it's very, very easy to use, and I promise you guys are going to love this video. So before we get started, guys, please subscribe to my channel. I teach you how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I teach you how to drive traffic, how to build your email list, how to get YouTube subscribers, everything like that. So if you're interested in that, subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and get started. So the software we're going to be using is called, let me pull it up here. It is called Morning FA, okay? So basically it's a SEO tool, okay? So it researches tools for you, it researches videos for you, so you can know exactly what videos to use, which tags, which titles, everything you need to be able to rank your videos, which is important on YouTube because when you're trying to get to your first 1,000 subscribers, no one knows who you are, so they got to be able to find you. And the way they find you is with SEO, which is search engine optimization. So people are searching for certain keywords on YouTube. Now this tool helps you, find the certain keywords. But the reason why it's different from other tools is not only does it give you a good keyword, it gives you a good keyword based on what based on your channel. So it has you connect your YouTube channel to this system, which is the Morning FA, and then based on your channel, it'll tell you if that's a good keyword. Because if it's a bigger channel, they're going to be able to rank for easier or harder keywords, whereas a little channel, you guys can't because you're still starting out. So this tool allows you to do that. Okay, now let me show you some cool things in here. Okay, so this is just like analytics, okay, for my channel. So it'll tell me, is your channel trending upwards? Okay, so trending upwards, yes. Okay, views, you're getting good views. So all this is good. So my channel is on track. I'm getting about 14 subscribers on daily average, which is very good. So my channel's doing well. And if we go to full stats, it'll give you kind of more in depth on what type, like a watch time. It gives you average view duration, stuff like that. Okay, and then let me go down here. And this is what I like. This has helped me know what type of videos I need to post. Okay, so depending on the video, it'll say let's see here. Like this one did really well, made the channel grow. The average view duration, I got a gold star for that one. I got lots of likes and comments. I got 7 subscribers, so I can kind of tell what is working and what's not working. And there was one that did very well. This one right here. So I did a video about ClickBank, and this one literally had almost gold stars throughout the whole thing. So you'll be probably seeing a lot more ClickBank videos from me because that's what you guys like, and that's what my channel, that's what Morning FA is looking at based on the analytics. Okay, so it has deep analytics, which I like because now I know what type of content you guys want to hear, what you guys want to see, stuff like that. Okay, so it helps you guys out, it helps me out. Another one on ClickBank. So obviously you guys like ClickBank videos, so I'm going to be doing more ClickBank videos based on this. Okay, now let me show you how to do the keyword research. And you guys also like my Pinterest videos as well, so that's awesome. So let me show you how to do the keyword research. Okay, so there's a tool here, and it's the keyword research. Okay, now this is cool because you can research a topic, and then it's going to give you a bunch of ideas. Okay, so let's see here. Let's do. Might as well do this video. So let's see, how to grow on YouTube. That's probably going to be hard to rank for, but let's just see what this tool gives us. Okay, so it says great choices for larger channels and then great choices for smaller channels. So I would say I'm a smaller channel. So we can do how to grow your YouTube channel fast in 2019. Let's see here. YouTube tips to grow your channel. Let's try that maybe. Or how to get your first 1,000 subscribers. Possibly that. I do want the word YouTube in there, but that might work. So either that one or let's just try that one. Let's just see what it does. Okay, so it'll give us an idea. And okay, so relevance B. Okay, so this is the F should be what I've researched, these can be D's, but F's, you don't want F's, okay? Basically, you want these to at least be D's or C's, okay? This is obviously a very hard keyword to rank for. So as long as we can get these up to at least D's, then it's a great, it's a great video for us to rank for. So let's just kind of change it up a little bit. Okay, how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Let's see what that gives us. So this goes up to A, but we're still at F here. So let's see here. And what I like to do is I like changing stuff like this up and just seeing, different keywords, okay? So we're still at B. Let me see here. Let me try something out. How to grow your YouTube channel. In 2019. Let's try that. So obviously keyword research is very important, but you want to be able to research different words, different different ways of rewording that, and that's going to be the best way to do it, guys. It obviously takes time. Let me see here. Growing fast on YouTube. Let's try that. Tips for growing your YouTube channel. And if you hit suggestions, it's going to give you a bunch of suggestions here. So obviously this is a very hard keyword to rank for. I don't like the F's here. So like I said, I haven't done this yet. I'm doing this just kind of on the fly, just to kind of show you how I would do it. I don't want to spend too much time on here, but basically you just want to go through all these suggestions until you find at least a A, D, 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 which is, they'll teach you how to do the keyword research. There's other ways to do it. It takes a little longer, but I just want to kind of show you what it does and how it works, okay? But basically, let's just say we're going with this, okay? Just because for time purposes of the video, let's just go with that. And then we can go to the next step here. So obviously I would see it says competition is too high. So I'm going to do it anyways just to kind of show you, how it works, okay? So anyways, then you can enter your description. So whatever your description is, you can enter that here, and it'll tell you if it's a good description, if people are going to find it. And then what's cool is it gives you tags, okay? It gives you the proper tags to use. It gives you suggestions on the tags. You can choose a bunch of tags here. Boom. So see how it goes up? So now we're in the B, which makes it actually really easy to rank for. Actually, that is very cool. So all these can be used. So I can use 500 characters. I'm just going to delete one of them here. Let's try that. Okay, perfect. So now I can literally use these keywords. As far as the title, I probably wouldn't use that because I got a F in the last one. But like I said, I don't want to spend too much time on this just because it does take a little bit of time to do keyword research. But this tool allows you to pretty much figure out the exact keyword that's going to be good for your channel. Remember, this keyword might be great for a different channel, but it might not be good for you because you might be smaller. Like for me, I'm a smaller channel, so I have to be very, very, how do you say, I have to be picky with my keywords. I have to be very methodical on how I pick my keywords, guys, because I am a smaller channel. I'm still only at 1,300 subscribers, so I'm still growing. But this is how you grow. If you're starting at 0, you plug in your YouTube into the system, and it's going to tell you based on your channel how what keywords you should use, what description, and it's going to literally. I mean, I try to go for A for this thing, so actually that's pretty good, even with a hard title. But anyways, that is how I would do my keyword research. Is I use this tool here. Now there's other things. There's full analysis. You can, one more thing actually. Let me go one more thing here. You can literally update, you can add your thumbnail in here and it'll like see if it's a good thumbnail. It's pretty crazy, guys, what you can do with this thing. But yeah, I do all my keyword research. I mean, if you look at my last video, how to build your email list fast, I literally, let's see, let me load this here. I literally started using this, and like I added my description here, all this here. I'm still working on the relevance. I'm trying to get this to at least a B or an A. Usually I shoot for A if I can. This is a harder keyword to rank for, but yeah, like I have everything in here, and this is the thumbnail I'm using. You can see I'm using this software and it works. But yeah, it's called Morning FA, guys, and basically I highly recommend it because this is the best tool out there. Because like I said, it uses your channel to kind of strategize for you. And like if you go to strategy, it'll give you a whole strategy on like on view time, on watch time, on likes, all that stuff. See? So look, that's pretty awesome because my watch time is above average, my engagement is above average, my subscribers is above average. So the only thing I'm looking to focus on is maybe views. But now we can go to this workshop and it's going to give me an actionable steps to increase my views. So you can see the power of this software, guys. And Big Mark is using it. He has like 400,000 subscribers, one of the best affiliate marketers out there. He recommended it to me. So I'm using this. He's using it, and like I'm seeing results, guys. You can see my channel grow. You can see how fast I've grown, and I highly recommend it as a new YouTuber, or an old YouTuber. You know, someone that's been around for a while, because this is a great what's it called? It's a great software for you to use. So if you are interested in using this, guys, I have my link in the description below. It's going to be a free month, okay? And you cannot use this channel unless you get it a direct link from a YouTuber, okay? So I entered my link below. It's going to give you a free month to use this. I promise you're going to see results, guys. So please use it, and let me know if you have any questions on it. But please subscribe to the channel, guys. My name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and I'll talk to you guys soon.